Trig. Trig is what you need to know. Need help on math, don't hate on me, because intelligence is what I need. I don't even know how to prove identities to make my pencil move. Baby, I be on my plane, rain, sleet, and snow. Cause trigonometries I need to know. Just trying to learn this math like has too many problems, and it confuses me. A little bit of calc and a little bit of trig, and we proceed to prove identities. Just going to class and trying to learn, hitting the books like a bookworm. Open up the book to get some studying, but it's like reading Chinese. Damn, but it's okay, because I learned this stuff today. Hey, gotta pay attention to class. Hey, gotta pay attention to class. Coming to class so I can know how to graph and how to solve the do now on the board to pass the final. Oh, help me, Lord. What is area? What is area? Cause I don't remember the formula, and I'm trying to figure out area of triangles. I need to find out soon when half of the given sides are included, and the sine of angle of the triangle, amplitude and graphing phase shift. And don't forget the period. Learning in class like I should. If I learn this now, I'll pass my test. Sum and difference identities are a bless, cause they help solve triangles. They help solve triangles. Right now, let's find this angle, cause problems are what we mangle. A sine, cosine, tangent, cool as X-Men Gambit to solve radians and degrees. Man, it's starting to be easy. Or even use inverse sine to solve the inverse of 9. They say you waste time with school, but I'm just trying to learn. Coming to class so I can know how to graph and how to solve the do now on the board. What is area? What is area? Cause I don't know the formula, and I'm trying to figure out. There's about to be big trig problems by the time this is over, but before I start on one, you might need a clover. This type of math, sine, cosine, and tangent, we learn about angles A, B, and C, calling this math trigonometry. What you know about math using angles and degrees. It's unbelievable when you actually get it down. Proving solutions, can't believe it's so easy, but proofs are long, problems get easier. I can do identities with these forms, there's no quiz, just so I'm looking for that missing angle in this graph triangle, using law of cosines or law of sines. You came into the classroom, hope you're listening, pay attention, follow along, and I'll teach radians and degrees. Angles are a form with two common endpoints, and endpoints called a vertex, so please don't get a nerve wreck. Some get confused with how to use these. In class, pay attention and it'll be ease. A, people still have no clue, but pay attention, right triangles are what I'll show you. With triangles through sides, one left and one right, we use trig to solve like tangent and sine.
Bloopers!
With triangles just through sides, one left and one right, we use trig to solve like tangent and sine, or even cotangent, 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 cotangent. Hey, you want fast lane learning, cause pre-cal's what I'm yearning. For radians degrees, there's a simple explanation. Multiply by 180 over pi. For degrees to radians, flipping it to vice versa. Graphing angles to find the coterminal. Learn this now and keep the questions to the minimum. Also, we want to find the terminal side, so go through this and we will be a cinch, not stuck, just glide. To determine size reference angles, what?
Hold up. Hold up.
I do not like him right now.
To determine size reference angles, what you need, keep listening, cause your brain just wants to feed. But before we go in depth, I'll explain this graphing. I know this is funny, this rap, stop laughing. On the graph, quadrants are 4. The plot these points to see the size, it's an eyesore. But you gotta do this down, so when you get the test, you don't frown. With triangles, there's 3 sides, one left and one right. We use trig to solve like tangent and sine, or even cosecant, 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 cosecant.